Hi everyone, I hope you guys are well. So today in this video, I will gonna show you what to do when your copy paste command is not working in your virtual machine. So this is my current virtual machine. I have installed VirtualBox here, and currently I have fixed the issue and I can copy paste my copy paste command is now working. So think about this. Currently, I have installed this system right now, and I'm unable to copy paste right now something from my Windows machine to this Linux machine. So what I need to do is you just need to do some few changes. So first of all, you need to go inside device here, the top, and now you need to click on this install guest admin. Sorry, additional CD image. Just need to click on it. Once you click on it, and if you want reboot, you can reboot, otherwise it's not necessary. You'll get an option, a CD option like this. I hope you can see my screen right now. So like this. So what you're gonna do is, and similar if you are on Windows and you have installed something, some virtual machine in your system, and you want to copy paste something and it didn't work. So on that case also same, you need to click on the device option here, and then just click on insert guest additional CD image. Similar, once you got, if you are in Windows, so you just need to go inside your file manager there. There you'll get some additional options like this kind of option, one more option like just need to double click on it. That's it. So let's go with my Linux machine right now. So I have installed right now here. So I have already clicked on here this device and went to I already click on this insert guest additional disk image, and I got this image box here. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on activity here, and I type terminal, and now I need to go inside this virtual device, disk. So let's try to see if it is mounted or not. So just I click df-kh and enter. As you can see, currently in this PC, in this virtual machine, I have only one disk, which is around 68 GB disk. That's all, and these are, you can just see that all our system related files and directories are there. But for the temporary one, there's another one. It is configured under media. So this is the total path that we need to go inside it. I'll just copy here, just type cd and press paste here and press enter. Now if I type ls-la, you can see here there are a lot of files and folders. Similar files you will get in your, if you are using a Windows machine. Now what you need to do is, let me maximize this screen for you. Maximize this. So now you're gonna need a sudo access. So make sure your account should have sudo app permission. Just type sudo space dot slash, this current location we have a script is called autorun.sh. So copy and paste it. And if you are in a Windows, so you can just click on this additional.txt here. Just need to double click, and just now, as you know, Windows provide just next option. Just follow and click on next button, and you are able to log in. You can do your work. So I'm gonna press enter here. I'm gonna type my root password and press enter. It will take some time, around like 5 minutes, depends upon your system performance. So for now, let's wait what is going on behind it. So I have just clicked on it, and I'm gonna see what's going on here. So it's now removed some older version, which you can see that 7.1.6 was there, and now also removing the same thing because I just now installed my system, and this that's the latest version is currently running right now. It's now removing. So during time being, while these additional drivers are installing in your system, you might get some freezing option and freezing in your virtual box. That's quite normal. Don't worry about it. And also sometimes you also get your screen resolution will changed because in the background it is patching up something, some drivers. And now I think my installation is finished. I'm gonna click on enter, so which you're gonna complete it now. If everything well done, then I should have copy paste command enabled. So I have opened my Google Chrome here in a different browser right now. Let me just copy something here. If you can see my screen, I have opened this document here, and I have a command um, like this one. Let's copy, and if everything work, I think, okay, I might need a reboot here. Just a minute. Let me just reboot it. Okay, it's now rebooting in. Let's see after rebooting our system whether it is copy paste is working or not. Sweet, I got my screen right now. Let me just try to put my password and try to log in. Oh, okay, finally it's now booted up. Let's try terminal. So if I try to paste now, you can see command is now pasting it from my local Google Chrome which I copied on that time. So this is exact the same command which I copied from here, and let's try to install it whether I have installed already. Sorry. So I hope you guys like this video. You got solved the problem how to copy paste. And I think it's also support bidirectional. So if I copy something from here, I could able to paste it in local local system. Let me open a paste, and yes, I can able to copy paste it. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you like this video. Thank you.